Hi everyone, welcome to another lesson in French. Today we have FL, which sounds fl, fl, fl. Also we have BL, which is BL in French. It sounds bl, bl, bl. We have le sifflet, le sifflet. Here, there is a T at the end of sifflet, which is mute. But in previous lesson, we explained to say ET sounds A in French. Also here, we have double F in sifflet, which still sounds fla, fla. Sifflet, which is the whistle. Une flûte, a flute. La flamme, the flame. We have une blague, a joke. La table, which is the table. Le sable, the sand. Example, we have la flûte de Florence est cassée. Here, Florence is a female name. Est cassée, that's why here you can see the E in green at the end of cassé, which is mute. So, cassé, if it was a male, here we could say Paul, for example. La flûte de Paul est cassée. Therefore, this E wouldn't be here. Which means Florence's flute is broken. Another example, ma jupe blanche. Ma jupe blanche est sur la table. My white skirt is on the table. We also have la flamme a brûlé les fleurs. Here, there is S at the end of fleur, which is mute. You don't pronounce it. Fleur, which means the flame burned the flowers. Also, we have Blaise, which is a male name. Raconte une blague. Blague. Blaise is telling a joke.